Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to another video from Brian Rips Anything. Got some Pokemon. Probably gonna there's gonna be a couple of videos. I've got some new product to open up soon. Some more Disney Neon, and then I ordered some 2 boxes of Deadpool. Don't know what to expect with that, but tonight or right now, this time we're gonna do some Pokemon, and this is where I got this one from. Delightful TCG. It's where I got this box from. So, if you want, go give them a follow. Go give them a check out. That's where I got this box. Before I do that, I want to remind you, hey, like, subscribe, and share to this video. And then go to my, if you're not on YouTube, go to my YouTube channel and interact with some of my other videos. And when I mean interacting, I mean, hit the like button, watch a video, hit the like button. You're helping my algorithm out when you do that. So get my videos pushed out to other people so they can see it too. So again, these are Japanese Pokemon. Everything in the box is in Japanese except for the word Pokemon. So we're still looking for some big hits. And seriously, folks, I know hardly anything about Pokemon. I know the good ones. I know the good cards. This one's got a bunch of good cards. A bunch of shiny stuff. Hey, let me know whether this is a good box. Good grief, there's a bunch of hits in this one. That one's an EX. I don't know what they are because they're not. Sleeve these up. I'll go back and top load them later. And hey, if you don't have a card caddy like this, you need to go get one. This one's 3D printed. I got it in a subscription box that I had before, but top loaders go in there, penny sleeves go on the bottom. This thing is awesome. It's got called the Rip Daddy. I love it. They got a bunch of different ones out. I've seen some ads on Facebook for some different ones. Some pretty cool looking ones. But man, they make things a whole lot better when you're putting cards in. So here's another bunch of shiny cards. Another EX. moving stuff around. Getting ready to send. I have a bunch of Pikachus that I'm getting ready to send off. I have an Umbreon EX V also that I'm getting ready to send out to be graded. Send it to SGC. Even though it's owned by... Oh, look at that one, the EX Pikachu. I don't know what that one is. I wish I knew. Wish I could read those. Even though SGC is owned by the same company, PSA. Actually, it's not PSA. It's I can't remember the name of it. It's like a different company. Owns a bunch of stuff. I just refuse to send it to PSA, one, because it takes forever. My other cards from SGC takes about 3 months, which is about the same for PSA, but I don't know. I just like the PSA, or the SGC cards a little bit better. Y'all, I don't know if I'm getting really big hits on here or not. It's, these cards are looking pretty cool. I'll go back and check the value of them later too. Looks like this one, the EX. It's all sparkly. I'll probably be here all day. That one's pretty cool. The dark color. No, that's worth something. There's another one of those like that. An EX. I'm just going to put them aside so I can get through this. Through these packs. It's going to take a while. Let's sleeve all those cards up. I'll go back and do it. I guess there's EX in every pack. Last couple of times I've been to, call it the dirt mall, but the flea market where we sell stuff. I set up cards and stuff over there. The last couple of times, there's more in this pack than people looked at and were more interested in my Pokemon. I didn't have any singles. I bought a bunch of slab Pokemon for resale. That was a little dragon. That's pretty cool too. People were more interested in Pokemon, but the bad thing is they ask about it. You tell them the price, and they're like, "Oh wow, well you're paying for a great card for one." Just because you're at a flea market doesn't mean you're going to pay dirt cheap for cards. I mean, I've sold a bunch of cards at the flea market. Flying CD. So it's hit or miss. Last pack. sometimes people buy this baseball sports card stuff I have. I've got a little bit of football, a little bit of basketball. Most of my stuff is baseball, but I do have sold some of that stuff. That's pretty cool. Pretty cute. I don't know what that is. This one. That's a bad looking. That's a nice looking card there. I don't know what it is. The EX. Cool. That's it for the Pokemon. Oh, I do want to let you guys look at. See, I got these from Mint today. MINT. It's a website, collector's website. Actually, I ordered 2 of these card protectors, and they sent a pack of baseball cards with it. But they also sent 2 signature cards. So each one has, these are true signature card, Topps Chrome cards, which is pretty cool. But all it is, it's a magnet case that holds your top loaders, or holds a card without a top loader. You just put it in the little plastic case, and then slide it in the outside, and slide it in the outside case, and it protects. These are for non-slab cards, and I have a bunch of them. So I thought these were pretty cool. But you can go to Mint, MINT. They are collectors website, and they also sent me a pack of baseball cards. I guess I could open it up real quick. This is back from a long time ago. This one doesn't have the gum in it. It had the puzzle piece. So let's see what we got. Brooke Jacoby, Keith Moreland, Scott May, Mike Young, Storm Davis, John Kruk, Kent Herbeck, Darren Dalton, Joel Skinner. Cards are sticking together. Kurt Young, Brian Mayer, Lloyd Mosby, Mike Marshall, Tom Niedenhofer, then Alvin Davis in the MVP. That's that. Well, folks, that's it for the Pokemon today. Thank you. I appreciate you spending time with me. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, hit that notification bell so you'll know when my videos are posted. And again, be looking out for 2 more videos with 2 different products. One was another Disney. Well, they're both Disney products, but one is Disney cards and the other one's Deadpool. So we'll see how Deadpool works out. I don't know what to expect for those cards. But anyway, thank you for joining me, and until next time.